Have you ever seen a spiral drill bit made from a gear shaft? The Pakistani man with glasses is truly amazing, as seen in this example of a previously unusable gear shaft. The car owner wanted it replicated into a brand new drill bit. Despite the immense difficulty of such machining, the resourceful man managed to create the gear shaft to meet the owner's needs for a mere 5,000 rupees. To reduce the difficulty of subsequent lathe machining, it first required heating with a heat gun. The main purpose was to soften and reduce the hardness through high-temperature annealing, preventing the excessively hard steel from damaging the cutting tool. After the tail of the gear shaft is heated to a red-hot state, it needs to be cooled for half an hour before turning. Considering the significant difference in appearance between the shaft and the drill bit, the technician must first perform substantial trimming to make the overall appearance as close as possible to the drill bit's specifications. However, since ordinary drill bits also have a certain structure, assuming the head's outer diameter is acceptable, the technician must not only cut the dividing line of the drill shank, but also turn the square head at the tail to create a suitable fit. Only in this way can the requirements of the graded drill bit be truly met. However, it's obvious that ordinary car enthusiasts would leave rough edges, requiring repeated filing to achieve a smooth and flat surface. Although the current appearance is identical to a drill bit, the car owner not only needs the spiral serrations on the surface, but also requires a greater overall number of serrations, which will be a considerable challenge. The mechanic simply installed a motor kit on the tool holder and fixed it to a small turntable. With just a few simple steps, Zidao transformed the lathe's purpose. Even without high-end cleaning equipment, Zidao can still produce standard spiral serrations by moving the motor-driven turntable via the tool holder. This is where the bespectacled uncle's expertise lies. When considering that the current slot spacing does not meet the requirements, the craftsman has to create additional grooves at the slot intervals. This is the key to creating this spiral drill bit. Only the spiral structure of the grooves can better facilitate drainage. After the craftsman changes the cutting tool to a larger one for secondary processing, the most important spiral structure is formed. However, for the drill bit to be clamped and used normally, the reserved space at the tail end needs to be washed into a flat surface so that the drill chuck can completely fix its foreground. After machining both sides into mutually perpendicular planes, the assembly can be separated from the lathe. This allows for the use of a tool holder to hold the cutting tool, thus separating the qualified drill bit from the gear shaft. The spiral drill bit, skillfully operated by the master craftsman, can then be used for drilling. Uncle Glass's lathe skills are truly versatile.